Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri chicken Roganjosh. Among the many reasons that make Kashmiri food a popular cuisine, one is the use of aromatic spices that make the meal an absolute treat. Kashmiri chicken Roganjosh is a crisp fried chicken cooked in perfect blend of Kashmiri spices. It's a royal treat to taste buds, vibrant in appearance and luxurious to eyes. The bold flavors of spices like fennel seeds and dried ginger powder cling to deep fried chicken, making it savorous and delightful. So let's get started. For making this delicacy, I have taken around 2 teaspoons of salt. You can take salt according to your taste. 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom. Taken 1 kg of chicken legs. You can take any other cut also. And oil, a cup of oil for frying the chicken. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, that's optional. And a pinch of garam masala, that's also optional. And paste of 2 caramelized onions. And ghee 2 tablespoons. Now in a pan, I have heated up a cup of oil for deep frying the chicken. We have to deep fry the chicken till it becomes brown on surface, and it should be fried on all the sides. I have kept medium to high flame. I'll flip it. So it should look like this, brownish on the surface. Here, this is the deep fried chicken. I have fried it in 2 bags. Now in a pan, I have heated up 2 tablespoons of ghee and added cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom and cloves. Sauteed them, and then I have added ginger garlic paste. And once the ginger garlic paste is fried, then add fried onion paste. Mix it properly and add a few teaspoons of water, and then add chicken. And then add chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, ginger powder and salt. Mix properly all the spices and let it fry a bit. Then add 2 glasses of water. Cover it and let it cook on low flame for around 20 minutes. Keep checking meanwhile for gravy. This dish is served dry on Wazwan platter while I am keeping a bit of gravy. So after 20 minutes, there is a bit of gravy. So I'll be adding garam masala and keep on high flame for some time so that the little bit of gravy is evaporated. After 5 minutes on high flame, I'll turn off the flame and dish it out. Serve it hot with rice or roti. It's a lavish looking crisp chicken cooked in aromatic Kashmiri spices. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Have a nice day.